In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Whop bot to your Discord subscription. By the end, your Discord account will be connected to Whop so your membership can sync smoothly and your community access stays up to date. Before we start, make sure you're signed into the correct Whop and Discord accounts in your browser and keep an eye out for any pop-up blockers since authorization may open in a new window. Begin on the Whop homepage, look to the top right corner and click your profile icon. It's the small avatar that opens your account menu. If you're on a smaller screen, this might be tucked into a compact menu. The label can vary slightly depending on your device, but it's always in the top right area. This takes you into your account area where we'll adjust your settings. Inside your account settings, find and click Connected Accounts. This is the place where you link services like Discord, so Whop can verify and manage your access. Think of it as the bridge that keeps your subscription status and your Discord roles in sync, which helps prevent issues like losing access when a payment renews or gains new perks. On the Connected Accounts page, look for the Discord option and click the Add button. If you've linked Discord before, you might see it already marked as connected. In that case, check that it's the right Discord username and you're good to go. If it isn't connected yet, clicking Add will start the authorization flow. This link simply tells Discord that you want to let Whop confirm your identity and handle membership sync for your servers associated with your subscription. A Discord authorization screen will appear. Take a quick moment to review what's being requested. This is standard and lets Whop identify your account and manage membership syncing. When you're ready, click Authorize. You might be asked to complete a quick verification, like a CAPTCHA. If the window doesn't open, double-check your browser's pop-up settings and try again. When authorization finishes, you'll be redirected back to Whop. Back on Whop, you should now see Discord listed as connected under Connected Accounts. That's your confirmation that everything worked. If the page doesn't update right away, refresh your browser. From here, your Discord membership and roles can sync with your Whop subscription automatically, reducing manual role changes and access issues. That's it. You clicked your profile icon, opened Connected Accounts, added Discord, and authorized the connection. Thanks for watching and enjoy the smoother automated access for your Discord community.